Welcome, in front of me is a UMIDIGI G5 Tab, and today I will show you how you can enable your power saving mode on this tablet. So to get started, you want to swipe down from the top of your screen, which will bring down your toggles, and from here find the power saving mode. For me, it's right here as literally, oh no, it's not the first one, this is the first page, so you do need to swipe to the left and it is on the second page. Once you see the battery saver toggle, you can tap on it and then select turn on, and it's now enabled. Now you can see it right here, it has this red outline around the battery to indicate that it is right now enabled. And once you're done needing it and you want to turn it off, just find the toggle once again by pulling down your notifications, tap on it once more, and this will obviously turn it off and revert all the changes. So with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.